is pretty simple. This is just a 6 mare step ratchet strap, or steps on one ratchet strap. Tie a knot in the end of them to keep them from sliding off the edge. So once you get to the tree, get your knot untied. Make sure there's no twist in it. Get it set, and then you can spread your steps around. Just get them spread just about evenly on all of them. And then once you get them set, just go ahead and start ratcheting it down. And you'll want to leave the closest ones to the back of the ratchet strap far back, because you're going to creep up to it, and you can't, once you get tightened, it gets hard to slide them. But once you get them set, and you stand on them, for example, they will slide down a little bit. Once I get up, I'll always bounce on them. Make sure they all set. But once they're set, they're pretty much set good, because the tree tapers down, so it gets fatter as it goes down. So once you get them set, that's what you have. And that's how you do the 6 steps on one ratchet strap. It's pretty simple. It's probably one of the simplest, easiest ways to put up a platform for a tree saddle.